Hi, welcome to QuickInfra. In this video, we will see how to create a DevOps infrastructure and set up CI/CD pipelines on AWS. First, we will create the target infrastructure. We will create a simple DevOps infrastructure comprising of two EC2 instances. One is a blue instance, another is a green instance. To each instance, we have added a special tag, deploy type equal to blue and deploy type equal to green. Select the target account, generate Terraform, create the infrastructure. It will take a couple of minutes for the infrastructure to be provisioned. So infrastructure is provisioned. Let's check the AWS console. Okay, the servers are created. Now we will create the CI/CD pipeline. We will select this CodeCommit pipeline. We have the option to select GitHub as the source repository. Select this pipeline. Target account. Generate Terraform. Execute. It will take a couple of minutes for the CI/CD pipeline to be set up. Okay, the pipeline is created. Let's check the AWS console. Okay, the pipeline is created and it has started execution. The source has been picked up. Build has started. Deployment is in progress. Okay, deployment has succeeded. Let's check if the application is up and running. Yes, so the application is running. Now we'll modify the code and check if it is automatically downloaded, built, and deployed. Edit the code. Change it to version 1. Commit. The changes have been pushed. Let's again come back to the pipeline. It will take few seconds to get triggered. It has started. Let's check the pipeline. The source is fetched. Build is in progress. Build is complete. Deployment has started. Deployment is complete. Let's check the application. Previously, it was version 0. Refresh the page. Now version 1. Version 1 is deployed. We can check the pipeline details from the dashboard here. So here now we see one pipeline is created. We can verify the details. So this is the pipeline. These are the executions. Here we see the history of pipeline execution. So this pipeline was executed. It was successful twice. We want to check the status. Here we see the details of all the stages: source, build, deploy. If you want to see the entire history of all the stages, here we can see the stages details. If you want to manually trigger the pipeline, we can start the pipeline from here. The pipeline has started. We can stop the pipeline. We can go back and check the history of all the executions.